What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews, and this time we're going to be looking at the all-new lineup of Cosmo cases from i-Blason for your AirPods Pro. So let's check them out. So i-Blason has basically come up with this Cosmo series as of a few years ago, and they tailored this to the ladies with the nice bright colors. They normally have like a blue, they have the sage green, they have the marble, they have the new black, and this one basically reminds me of like a Black Panther type outfit. But nice colors, nice patterns, and this is what they're gonna look like. So you drop your AirPods in, and basically, these are the AirPods. Like I say, you're going to drop them in. You're going to pop the top on. Now, the top comes with a sticky top. Just latch it in. And then you can connect this if you would like. You got tons of options. You can wear it around your wrist. You can put it on a bag. But it basically is going to protect your AirPods from getting scratched up and banged up. And then since we know that these are wireless charge capable, we're going to lay them down. So they don't give you a ring, but if you can see that little light through there, it's still kind of transparent, so you can see that light and make it out that it is still charging. Let's check out all the rest of these. So this is the jade color. I'm gonna just sit it on, and there we go. You see the green light right there. Did come on, and the Black Panther. Okay, so the black one is the only one. Let's make sure we got it in. Moon charger. Yep, you cannot see the black through there, but it is charging. I'm pretty sure if all the rest of these work, that's working. Then you get a nice wide open charger down bottom so that your Apple charger, your lightning cable is gonna fit directly in there with no problems, no issues whatsoever. So like I said, these are from the Cosmo series from the company i-Blason. Come in all different colors. They're going to match up with your AirPods. They're going to work. They're going to protect, and they're going to look sleek all at the same time. So I'm going to drop a link below so you can check these out for yourself. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up, and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.